Alright, let's go. I don't know who is top dog around here, but I heard that you one of them, and the rest are making fun of them, and the rest I'm probably gunning them. I will never lose in a battle. I could put dudes in my shadow, fuck it, I could put 50 fucking dudes in my shadow. When I battle with an axe, you could battle with a third eye, you couldn't win with it. Oh yeah, I spin midgets right under my fingertips when I win with it. I'm the best motherfucker, that's the truth though. You should hear me in the real booth though. I make songs and plus I do ciphers. I make cat shit, no diapers. Okay, yeah, I'm sick in the range. Yeah, fuck you, middle finger to your name. Okay, yeah, your bars is plain. Every day, yeah, I'm going insane, that's what I'm saying. I ain't playing motherfucker, hop around. You gon' hear that click clack and that lay you down sound. Yeah, I'm reppin' shit, yeah, I'm reppin' shit. And I'm always on the block with my weapon, bitch. Yeah, I got my... Now let's talk for a minute. I will join the crew, so let's walk for a minute. Let's talk for a minute, let's bang shit. Let's make this app fucking banging. Let's turn up, let's get some money. 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 I ain't trying to battle, I ain't trying to ruin dudes. But every time I do, put 1 and 2 in dudes. Every time I punch, every time I flex, every time I move a muscle, every time I move my chest, yes. They get scared like I'm trying to cut them out, so they start crying, denying the fact that my skills are ridiculous. I never wrote a bar, but I'm still sick of syphilis. Stick to this. Okay, you can't get rid of this. Stick to the pathetic grits and fuck all the critics, bitch. Okay, this is pathetic, bitch. Hit you with an anesthetic dick. I'm so ridiculous, I'm really fucking riding. Shout out to Batman and Robin. Okay, this is a problem. Yeah, shout out to Robin. I'm running out of words. I'm running out of words. Yeah, right, that was a lie, boy. I can run that I reverse every word. It's a curse to get burst, to get worse, and it hurts to come first. So the